All right, so today we're going to be looking at the approvals process. Okay, so the approvals feature and the approvals process is new to packages. Okay, and so with this, I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so let's create a new package, and in this package, we'll just generate something using an LLM and then write a tweet, and then we'll approve the tweet. Okay, so LLM to Twitter. All right, testing of the approval feature. All right. So let's make our input theme, and then let's take our finish node. All done. We've got our finish node. So now I'm going to add an LLM node, and I'm also going to add a calendar node, that will tweet something, okay? So we'll connect these two, and then on the calendar, we'll post on Twitter, okay? So the tweet is going to be what GPT gives us back. So let's do GP generated tweet, okay? And then here on our, on our inputs in the package for posting to Twitter, we're going to say add GPT generated tweet, okay? No image or video to go along with it, so we're just going to do that. Now, let's come up with a theme, and then let's write our prompt, okay? So our theme is going to be, well, we'll decide that at runtime when we run the package, but the prompt is going to be, all right, so given a theme, come up with a random tweet. Sure, the tweet is a banger and is in all lowercase, okay? All right, so we've got that prompt, and then now the theme is going to be theme, and then the tweet, we'll just leave it like that, okay? Now, we've got our prompt, we got our calendar, schedule to run. We're going to set this to some date in the future, okay? So let's have it run, let's have it scheduled to run in 30 minutes from now, okay? And then I think that's it. So let's make our theme be, so we got this. I want to see the tweet that gets generated. So in 3 minutes, we've got this package set up. Now let's write the tweet, okay? So let's see, our theme is going to be about Christmas as such is the best time of the year. All right. And it's going to generate our tweet, but it will not. Okay. Why did it do that? Oh, sorry. I need to check off use relative run date. Okay. Okay. Let's run it again. So that finished. It didn't tweet it out. Okay. It just scheduled the tweet. Okay. Now let's look at that did not work. Okay. All right, so that's our tweet. Calendar. Oh, I did not turn approvals on. That's my mistake. We need to turn approvals on, okay? So require approval is yes, okay? This actually got added to my calendar today, but it's, yeah. So let's delete this and try again, okay? LLM to Twitter. Let's say themed tweet. Let's give this a name of themed tweet, okay? Themed tweet. Sorry, these tutorials are raw, so there's mistakes in them sometimes. So require approval is yes. And then now we should get the approval requirement, okay? Also, let's tell it, do not wrap the response in quotes, okay? Let's go with GPT 4.0, and let's do it again, okay? All right, now our approvals are there. All right, so perfect. So this is our approval. In 31 minutes from now, we've got a tweet going out that says this. Do I like it or do I not like it? That's the question. So yeah, with this approval system, we can update the tweet before it goes out here. So I can add, there's nothing like Christmas, hot cocoa, blah, blah, blah. I can hit update to update it, but it needs to be approved or it doesn't run, okay? You can also, if you say, hey, this is great and I want to run it now, you can do this, but you have to be sure to delete it or deny it once it's done. But this is the approval process, okay? And once I approve it, it will run in 30 minutes, okay? And we can see it's on my calendar here, theme tweet at 2:18, that's gonna go out, okay? So yeah, I hope that helps. That's the approval process. So this is sort of, the way you have to think about approvals is they're tied to the calendar, okay? So you want the approval to happen like after the package has been run, okay? And you want to give yourself a buffer to approve it if it's something that you want to execute, okay? And if it's important, okay? So approvals are tied to your calendar, okay? You can set a relative run date or time. So this is going to be 30 minutes from the run time. So it's a different thought process in traditional automation programs where it's like, you know, do this, then get approval. We're not going to wait for approval. The approval is tied to a calendar event, okay? So you should run that package. The next step should be part of that approval process, okay? So you have to architect or design your package in such a way that, like, we're not waiting for this. Like, you come with all the data that you want to execute, and it executes here, okay? Hope that helps. That is approvals in a nutshell. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask them in the Facebook group. All right, have a good one. See you.